Line Effect Typography. So it's really simple to do, and let's see how that's done. So for this tutorial I am using this, the document size is 1000 by 1000 pixels, and I've also given a name to my document as well called Speed Line Typography, but you're free to choose the size of your document however you like. It's not necessary that you have to stick to the same document size as I am. So what we're going to do first is, we'll type out our word, which is speed free. We'll click on a document like this, delete the dummy text, and in capital, in all caps, just write in speed free. Okay. So you can choose any type of font you want. So, but for this video, I will be using this Arial font, and I will be making it black. It's bolder actually, and for the font size, I will be increasing it to 200 points like that. Okay. So while my text is still selected, I'll right click and create outline. So by creating an outline, it becomes a lot easier for us to edit this even further. Once that's done, I'll right click again and undo these. So what I'm going to do is that I'll just bring our words on top of each other. That becomes easier for us to see our text. Okay. So I'll just select the alternate letters like this by clicking on shift and selecting our letters, and just nudge them a little upwards like that, and select the remaining ones and nudge them a little down like that. Okay. So after that is done, now we will have to make these type of lines, these speed dashes, right? So we'll go back to the rectangle tool, click on a document, and we will now give the dimensions. So the width is going to be 50 pixels, and the height is going to be 5 pixels like that. Okay. So I'll zoom in on this, and by using the direct selection tool, I'll just round off the edges like that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use this and just start aligning them to our text, to our letters like that, and make several copies out of it like this. So click on Alt and then make the several copies like this. You can keep going and make sure that the smart guide is also on from this view option right here. So the smart guide will actually help you to see how much space you want to leave like that, and just place them randomly wherever you want to, like this. Select all of this and just start making copies like this as well. It's a little time taking, but you have to be a little patient to do this. Keep going. I'll select these two and then just reduce the size and bring them inwards. the side, you can just scale them down a little so that it gives a variation of length. Good so far. So after this is done, I'm going to select the entire thing, and by clicking on shift, I'll click on our letters like this, so this gets deselected. Please, and notice like only the dashes we had made, these get selected. So after that, we'll go to object, come over here to this transform and transform each. So over here in the scale vertical portion, I'll bring it down to 50%, and in the move portion, I'll bring it down to, in the vertical option, bring it down to 5 pixels. Check mark this on the top and copy. And while it's all still selected, I will change the fill from black to white like okay, object, transform each. No. Yeah, so what I've done is that after deselecting all our letters, I just use the transform each option on all of them, on all these dashes, and change the color to white. So after that, I'll select all of them again, go over here to the magic wand tool, and select the black dashes, along with the, like that, go to the pathfinder tool and unite them together. After that's done, we'll right click, arrange, and send to back like that. So after that's done, so we will have to create a compound path for the next step, which is going back to object, coming down here to the compound path and make. So after that, we'll go back here to the pathfinder tool and click on minus front like that. So you can't really see what happened right now, but if I select all of them and if I take them outside like this, comes up. As you can see, the white ones are still there. The black, red. Once this is done, we'll select this all of them again. Go back to object, envelope distort, make, and click on make with what. And over here in the style, we'll be using this rise tool, and in the bend, we'll be giving it a 20% Once that's done, you can also go ahead and add a background color as well. So you can go ahead and choose a nice this gray color and just drag our mouse all the way like that and arrange and center back like there you go. Our speed line typography is also ready. We can now go ahead and save our file as well. To do that, we go to File and click on Save As. By default, our document does get saved in an Adobe Illustrator file, and I let the file name be as the speed line typography and click on Save and OK. So there you go. Our speed line typography is now ready and it's successfully been saved as well. I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice you can try the same effect in different words as well and play around with the fonts and colors. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.